So today we're looking at two areas along the cold front that's going to be forming where some thunderstorms will develop and could possibly be severe. And so the first one's up in the Midwest. That's going to be mostly damaging wind threat, potentially some hail. But looking back into the plains, we're going to see some damaging wind, hail, excessive rainfall, and then potentially that tornado threat considering it is in the plains and we're dealing with some supercells. So there is an opportunity for severe weather in both of these areas. So, as I said about the cold front now, it's going to be developing from the Great Lakes clear into the Rockies, and so it's going to cool down some of the temperatures, but not every one, and it's going to actually kind of backfill itself. So it'll only really bring down the colder temperatures for about a day or so. But looking into the south, our hottest temperatures are obviously in kind of that desert region, and also looking into the southern plains in Oklahoma and Texas, extremely hot temperatures, hundreds in multiple areas, and so it's going to be a very hot day in multiple areas, and we're going to see some cooler weather start to work its way in right behind the cold front. The afternoon hours are showing us that there is going to be that development way up north in Canada of a bigger patch of precipitation that's going to be allowing for kind of that line to start forming early in the parts of Iowa and Minnesota, but we are seeing some individual lines that'll start popping up between the middle of the afternoon and then to your dinner time. Then looking at the nighttime hours, we're going to see that big time development between really that dinner time and sunset. And this is going to be thanks to that cold front progressing. We're going to see that supercell mode really occurring into parts of those southern plains. So that's where our biggest group of threats is actually not going to be is in the plains, but rather up in the Midwest is where our group type of severe threat is going to be. But our individual severe threat is going to be down in the plains, so we'll be watching those as we go through the day today, and we hope you are being weather ready just in case something does happen. We have seen some quick spin ups over the last few weeks, so definitely do not discount that slight threat and be ready for severe weather anytime it does happen. We hope to see you in tomorrow's forecast.